Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, good morning to all of you. Already you have done one class and this is your second period. Okay, welcome to my class. And today you know that already we are in the finishing line of chapter 1 and we have discussed all the basic things, problems, and I think almost everything, okay? But we have remaining 2, 3, 4 problems, okay? So I think we have to finish first our all problems, and it's also related to your upcoming MCQ exam, okay? Some questions will convert it to MCQ, okay, from this part. Okay, so today we are going to discuss this rest of our problems from exercise 1.2, okay? My dear student, first just let me know my sound quality, video, and everything is okay or not, it is perfect for you or not, okay? Just let me know. Within very few seconds we are going to start our class. Walaikum assalam. Okay, thank you. Just some of you write in the comments my sound quality, video, everything is okay for you or not. Okay, hello sir. Walaikum salam. All clear, very good. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we up to last class we have done up to, I think we have done up to 19, right? We have done up to 19. So today is 20 number. Question number 20 is more like similar with question number 17. Okay, 17 we did like each member of a cooperative society subscribe 20 times the number of the member in Takas, the total amount raised being 20,480. Find the number of the member of the society, okay? But in 20 number, laborers are employed to reap paddy from a paddy field. The daily wage of each labor is 10 times of their numbers, 10 times. In 17 number is 20 times, and here it is 10 times, okay? And if the total daily wage is 6,250, in 17 number it was 20,480. Do you understand this? These two questions as just number is different and context is different, but this main theme, main process, just main asking questions is almost same, everything. Okay, I think you can do it. So I'm going to number 21. If you can't do it, if you face any problem in 20 number, okay, you can tell me. I will solve again, no problem. But first you have to try yourself, okay? So I'm going to number 21. The difference of squares of two consecutive numbers is 37. Find the two numbers, okay? So the difference of squares of two consecutive numbers is 37. So first question is, what is consecutive numbers? Do you understand what is the meaning of consecutive numbers? So what is the consecutive numbers? Do you know what is consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers. What does it mean, consecutive numbers? Because it is very, very important to understand what is consecutive numbers. Otherwise you can't solve the problem, because based on this word we will ask the question. So consecutive numbers, what does it mean? Consecutive numbers means one after one. Okay, there is no gaps between two numbers. It is called consecutive. For example, one number is 23. For example, any number, you can say 123, 23, 32. It's up to you, no problem. So one number is 23, so next number should be 24 or 22. Okay, so this is consecutive numbers, either 22 or 23 or 23 or 24. Okay, one after one. So consecutive means one after one. For example, one number is m, so next number will be, okay, so next number will be m plus 1. Look at that here. Here is 22. So 22 plus 1, it is 23. Okay, do you understand? So consecutive means this when you call one number, any number, for example, one number is 50, so next number will be 50 plus 1. Okay, so we call here 23, so next number should be 23 plus 1. If we consider one number is m, so next number should be m plus 1. Do you understand, all of you? So if one number is, for example, any number x, you can say next number should be x plus 1. Previous number should be x minus 1. Do you understand? If one number is x, next number x plus 1. Previous one is x minus 1. Okay, for example, if I ask one number is x minus 4, so what is the next number? Okay, write in the comments what is the next number. All of you write in the next number. For example, if I ask you this first number is x minus 4, what will be the next number? What will be the next number? All clear, sir? Okay. Thank you, Kamran, like you all clear, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, so write in the comments if first number is x minus 4, so what will be the next number? So you have to understand this. We started what number we have written. For example, I have written any number. For example, I have written 32. So next number should be 32 plus 1. Okay, so here is x minus 4. If we consider x minus 4 the first number, next number should be x minus 4 plus 1. X number 4 plus 1. So what it is? X minus 4 plus 1. So it will be x minus 3. It will be x minus 3. So you have to understand like this way, because if you think this all the time, we will just write in the question this first number is x. No, it's not possible. Sometimes we will write x, first number is x minus 3, x minus 4, or something like that. Okay, so you have to understand what is the basic inside of it. Okay, so if we consider first number is x minus 4, the next number should be x minus 4 plus 1. So it is x minus 3. Okay, and previous one, of course, it will be x minus 4 minus 1. Previous one. Okay, so we can write x minus 4 minus 1, so it is x minus 5. Okay, so simple things. First we consider just only one number, and next number should be that number plus 1, previous number that number minus 1. If we consider this first number is x, we have to consider next number x plus 1. Okay, previous one should be x minus 1. If we consider instead of any particular number, if we consider this, it is x minus 4, m minus 4, x minus 3, x minus 7 or something like that, we have to consider this next one should be that number plus 1. X minus 3. Okay, Ahmed Fairuz, Nawar Ruhan ID, you have written x minus 3. Thank you so much. Yeah. Ehtasham Hussain also you have written. Thank you so much, Babara. Yeah, very good. Lots of students you have written. Yeah, thank you. So my target is I have to clear what is consecutive numbers. I think all of you clear what is consecutive numbers, because we will ask the question based on this concept. Okay, we will ask the questions on MCQ, on CQ also. Okay, not only in MCQ, in CQ also. This first question, sometimes in the questions we will give you this based on the x minus 7 is the first number, and you have to find the second number, you have to find the previous one also. Okay, so you have to be clear what it is actually, how it works. Okay, so let's start our question. Question number 21, exercise 1.2, question number 21. Okay, what is question number 21? 21 is that this difference of squares of two consecutive numbers equals 37. We have to find two numbers. Okay, I will show you first. I am going to solve this question, and after that I am going to show you how this question convert into MCQ question, because your upcoming exam, it is just fun. Take it very easily, okay? Because we want to test you, we want to just practice you what it is, what kind of questions you are going to face in the exam, okay? So I think you have to practice it, how it is, what it is actually. Okay, so question number 21. Okay, difference of squares of two consecutive numbers is 37. So we don't know the numbers, so first we have to just consider what is the two numbers actually. So first I am considering let two consecutive numbers, or we can write this first number directly. We can write two consecutive numbers are x and x plus 1, or you can just consider this first number is x, second number will be x plus 1. It's also okay, no problem. So squares of these numbers, square of these numbers are x square and x plus 1 whole square, okay? And the difference of squares of these numbers is equal, okay? Difference of squares of these numbers is equal x plus 1 whole square minus x square. This is the difference, okay? The difference of squares of these two numbers, these two numbers also you can write these two numbers is, okay? So difference of squares of these two numbers is equal x plus 1 whole square minus x square, and given in the question difference of squares of these two numbers is 37. So now we can write given difference of squares of these two numbers is 37. So look at that here. With respect to x, we find x plus 1 whole square minus x square, and given in the question it is 37. So easily we can write these expressions is equal to 37. Easily we can write it, okay? Do you understand how we can write? Easily we can write x plus 1 whole square minus x square is equal to 37. Easily we can write. My dear student, do you understand, all of you? Sorry sir for being late. Oh, it's okay. Okay. So, and you should invite your all other friends also, come in the class, because we are discussing very important topics, okay? Important questions. And I'm just after few, I think 1 or 2 minutes, I will convert this question into MCQ question. I will show you how MCQ questions will come based on these kinds of question, okay? These questions also has lots of probability to come in the CQ question and MCQ questions also, okay? So look at that here. So this difference of squares of, given in the question, difference of squares of these two numbers is 37, and with respect to x we find here x plus 1 whole square minus x square. So easily we can write by the question, okay, or according to the question, by the question we can write by the question we can write x plus 1 whole square minus x square is equal to 37. Okay, x plus 1 whole square minus x square is equal to 37. Easily we can write. So look at that here, x plus 1 whole square. So x plus 1 whole square, you know the formula of a plus b whole square, already you know about that. Okay, it is discussed, it is already discussed in your class. Okay, so so we can just apply this a plus b whole square formula, and we can write x plus 1 whole square. So x square plus 2 into instead of a we can write x, instead of b we can write 1 plus 1 square, okay, equals 37. Okay, so x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square equals 37. So we can write x square plus 2x plus 1 equals 37. Okay, I'm going to next page. Okay, so we can write x square plus 2x, x square plus 2x, x square plus 2x is equal to 37 equals oh sorry, I missed here x square, minus x square here. Okay, it is 37. Okay, and here this x square was missing, so x square plus 2x plus 1 minus x square. Okay, we can write 37. So x square gone, oh, sorry, x square gone. So easily we can write here is x square 2x plus 1 equals 37. Okay, and 2x equals, okay, 2x equals 37 minus 1. Okay, and x equals, we can write x equals, or 2x equals 36, or x equals 36 divided by 2. So what it is 18. So here x equals 18. So two consecutive numbers x equals, two consecutive numbers are x equals x, and another x equals 18, and another one equals x plus 1. So another number will be x plus 1 equals 18 plus 1 equals 19. So answer is 18 and 19. Okay, thank you so much, my dear student. I think some of you already have done. Okay, it's really good, wonderful, thank you so much. Okay, some of you, if you don't understand 37 number to question A answer, yes sir, I didn't understand. Okay, Sharifa Kibriya, you have written not understand. Sheikh Mahbubur Rahman, you have written not understand. Okay, Baba, you have written not understand. Whole question, whole answer you don't understand, or just particular part you don't understand? This Sheikh Mahbubur Rahman ID, you have written not understand. Okay, what you don't understand, Baba? These two consecutive numbers, already I explained you what is consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers is one after one. If we consider the first number is x, second number will be x plus 1. If we consider first number is, for example, 50, second number will be 51, 50 plus 1. So here look at the two consecutive numbers is, if first number is x, second number will be x plus 1. So in the questions written, this difference of squares of two consecutive numbers. So first you have to find square. So square of these numbers, x and x plus 1, it is x square and x plus 1 whole square. Okay, so x square and x plus 1 whole square. So I did this x square and x plus 1 whole square. Difference of squares of these two numbers equals x plus 1 whole square minus, because why we are writing x plus 1 whole square? because this first number here x, second number will be x plus 1. So x plus 1 should be the bigger of first one. Okay, all the time. If we consider first number is 100, second number will be 100 plus 1. Okay, what number we consider in the first position, second number will be that number plus 1. So that is why we have written this x plus 1 whole square minus 1, and given the difference of square of these two numbers equals 37. So we can write this difference and this difference is same. So this part and this part we can write equal. Okay, so x plus 1 whole square equals, so we can easily use this a plus b whole square formula. So a plus b whole square formula, what it is? A square plus 2ab. Instead of a, we are writing here x square. So x square plus 2, in the place of a it is x, b it is 1. Okay, so a square plus 2ab plus b square, and x square minus x square here. Okay, so x square plus x square minus x square gone. Here is 2x plus 1 equals 37. Okay, so 2x plus 1 equals 37. We're just taking 1 in another side. So 37 minus 1 it is 36. So 2x equals 36. X equals 36 divided by 2 it is 18. Okay, now do you understand? Two students have written not understand, Sheikh Mahbub Rahman and one other student, this Sharifa Kibriya. Now do you understand? Lots of students have written yes sir, yes sir. Okay, but sir, chapter 1a in arithmetic chapter, so why are you algebra in it? Yeah, it's possible, Baba, no problem. Any kinds of mathematical relation you can use in anywhere, no problem. Algebra and arithmetic, it's no differences. All maths are same. Do you understand? All maths are same. You are in this just in class 7. That is why we just differentiate algebra and arithmetic. But in upper class, from class 9, there is no algebra, there is no arithmetic. All maths are same. Mathematics means mathematics. So any kinds of formula or any kinds of relations, mathematical relations you can use in anywhere in mathematics, no problem. Okay. Okay, you did not understand middle part. You did not understand middle part. Why, Baba? The difference of squares of these two numbers equals x plus 1 whole square minus x square. Do you understand this part? Because this one is this large one, and this one is smaller one. This x square is smaller one, because we two consecutive numbers. So consecutive numbers, this first one should be the smaller one, second one should be the bigger one. That is why it is consecutive. Consecutive means this one after one, this smaller to bigger. Okay, so that is why I have written this difference all the time. This bigger one in the first position. So x plus 1 whole square minus x square. Okay, and in the question it is given, written here, given difference of squares of these two numbers equals 37. It's given here. So by the question, x plus 1 whole square minus x square equals 37. Okay. Okay, who has written? I don't understand, sir. Now it is okay for you, Baba? Now I am converting this question into MCQ question. What kind of MCQ question come based on this question? Okay, so let's start. What kind of MCQ question will come? Okay, this question I am writing in the form of MCQ question. So 21, it is MCQ form. Look at that here. MCQ form. Okay, the difference of squares of two consecutive numbers. This term is the difference of the squares of two consecutive numbers is 37. Okay, answer the question. answer the following question based on above stem. Okay, the difference of square of two consecutive numbers is 37. Answer the following question based on following questions. You can write following questions based on above stem. Okay, so first question, look at that here. First question, okay, what will be the two numbers? What will be the two consecutive numbers? Okay, option A 1920, option B 2021, okay, option C 1819, and option D it is 1718. Okay, do you understand how I will convert this question into MCQ question? So you are going to face these kinds of question in upcoming exam. Okay, so it is very, very important. You have to attend the class. You have to solve these kinds of questions. Otherwise, it's very difficult to answer. Okay, question number 2. What will be the sum of the square of these two numbers? These two numbers. Okay, what will be the sum of the square of these two numbers? What is it? 485. Okay, number B 585, number C, okay, 685, number number D, it is 785. Okay, what will be the sum of the square of these two numbers? So 485, 585, 685, 785. Which one of the following is correct? Okay, these kinds of question you are going to face. So I think already we know this number. What will be the two consecutive numbers? Already we know that 18 and 19. Okay, what will be the sum of the squares of these two numbers? Okay, can you write here this? What will be the sum of two numbers, squares of these two numbers? Anyone can do it? Okay, take few seconds time and answer it. What will be the sum of the squares of these two numbers? Okay, what is it? Look at that here. 18 square is 18. We know that 18 square equals 324, and 19 square is 361. So what it is? It is 5, it is 8, it is 6. So it is 685. Okay. Yeah, 1C. Yeah, thank you so much. Already you have written 1C. Yes. Thank you, 1C. This first you have written this Naba Fairuz, Taslia Begum Rinku. You have written D. How D? No, it is not D. It should be C. Okay, this Mithul ID you have written 1C, and Maugush you have written 1C. This Rukaya Zaman Raisa ID you have written 1C. Okay, 645 Saida Shahiba Shakuri have written from this ID have written 685. Yes, you are all of you are right. Okay, 1 and 2C. Okay, thank you so much. So I think now you understood how I will just structure the MCQ question. Okay, so this question is very important for your CQ exam and MCQ exam also. Okay, so we are going to next question. What it is? This is number 22. Okay, find two such least consecutive numbers so that the difference of squares of these squares of them is a perfect square number. So we have to find least two square numbers. Okay, we have to find least two square numbers. And after that the difference of squares of these two numbers will be the square number, perfect square. Okay, and again I'm just reading this question. Okay, look at that here. Find two such consecutive numbers so that the difference of squares of them is a perfect square number. So first we have to find these two that kind of two consecutive two numbers. So if this same way, if we do the squares of these two numbers and subtract from bigger one to smaller one, and after that we have to find that number is a perfect square number. Look at that here. Here the difference of squares of two consecutive numbers is 37, and we know that 37 is not a square number. But that particular case, we have to find the two consecutive numbers, and difference of squares of these two consecutive numbers equals a perfect square. Not only two consecutive numbers, there should be least two consecutive numbers. Okay, so we are just going to do number 22. Okay, let first number is x. Okay, and second number, of course it should be x plus 1. Okay, so first number is x and second number is x plus 1 because they are consecutive numbers. Okay, square of these two consecutive numbers are, okay, x square and x plus 1 whole square. Okay, x square and x plus 1, first number is x and second number is x plus 1. So square of these two consecutive numbers is x square and x plus 1 whole square. Okay, so we have to find the difference of squares of these two consecutive numbers is a perfect square. We have to find the perfect square. What number will be the perfect square? The difference of squares of these two numbers will be the perfect square. Okay, so difference of the square of difference of the square of these two numbers, these two numbers equals what it is. So this same way what we have written in number 21, this x plus 1 whole square minus x square, but this problem is not same. Okay, the system almost same, but problem is not same. So x plus 1 whole square minus x square. Okay, and we have to search just which least consecutive numbers should be this difference of squares of these numbers equals perfect square. Okay, so we are searching when or if we can write now. Okay, if x equals 1, okay, then x plus 1 whole square minus x square equal, so we are putting the value x plus 1, so 1 plus 1 whole square minus 1 square is equal to 2 square minus 1. 2 square minus 1 equals 4 minus 1 equals 3. Okay, so 3 is not a perfect square number. We are searching a perfect square number, so 3 is not a perfect square number. Okay, So if x equals 2, okay, so 2 plus 1, x plus 1 whole square minus x square equal 2 plus 1 whole square minus 2 square equal, we can write 3 square minus 2 square equals 9 minus 4. Okay, 9 minus 4 equals 5. So which is also not a perfect square number. So we are searching a perfect square number. So one after one we have to go through. Okay, so x equals 3. Okay, so 3 plus 1, or we can write x plus 1 whole square minus x square equal 3 plus 1 whole square minus 3 square is equal to 3 plus 1 is 4 square minus 3 square equals 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 equals 16 minus 9. What is it? 7. So 7 is also not a perfect square number. So we have to go next one. So if x equals 4, okay, so 4 plus x plus 1 whole square minus x square equals 4 plus 1 whole square minus 4 square. Okay, so 4 plus 1 it is 5 square. So 5 square minus 4 square, what it is? This 25 minus 16, it is 9. So we know that 9 is a perfect square. So we can write 9 is the perfect square number. So therefore 9 is our required answer. So 9 is a perfect square number. So we can write 9 is our perfect square. Is there any problem, Barbara? Look, this class is very much important for your upcoming exam. So I think you have to concentrate in the class. Okay, just all of you just leave the all kinds of comments which is not relevant to your class. Okay, sir, I didn't understand 22. Okay, I understood this math perfectly. Okay, thank you so much, sir. How this is grade 7 maths? How is this a grade 7 math? Okay, but they have given in your exercise, so it is of course for you. Okay, sir, can you please tell me the theory or the rules of finding the approximate number after division? Yes, of course, I forgot. Okay, I will tell you, no problem. Shampagush ID you have written, sir. It is pausing in every second. What pausing? Now understood. It is pausing every second. My video is pausing. Is there any problem in my video quality or broadcasting? Is there any problem? I'm saying this is myself like every day. Not understand. Okay, Sheikh Mahbub Rahman ID, again you have written not understand. Okay, no problem. The question is the question is you have to find the difference of squares of two consecutive numbers. So you have to find difference of squares of two consecutive numbers. What does it mean? First you have to consider two consecutive numbers, and you know that how to consider consecutive numbers, and I did it like this. This first number is x, so second number is x plus 1, or any number if you consider it should be 1 plus. Okay, so the difference of squares of, what is the difference? Difference means you have to subtract from one to another. Of course it should be bigger one to from bigger one to smaller one, of course. So I subtract from bigger one to smaller one, and the square, of course, the difference of the squares of these two numbers, and we have to find when the difference of squares of these two numbers, and what number we will get, it should be a perfect square number. That is why we are searching that way. Okay, so first we are just considering x equals 1, x equals 2, x equals 3, x equals 4, and just after 4 step we are getting our required number. So 9 is the perfect square. We can write 9 is the perfect square. 9 is the perfect square number. 9 is the perfect square number. So answer is 9. So answer is 9. Okay, do you understand, all of you? আমাদেরকে এমন একটা নাম্বার বের করতে হবে যেটা অন্য দুইটা কনজিকিউটিভ নাম্বারের ডিফারেন্সের সমান। ওকে, সো দুইটা নাম্বার কনজিকিউটিভ নাম্বার আমরা প্রথমে ধরে নিয়েছি, দুইটা কনজিকিউটিভ নাম্বারস, যেটা হচ্ছে একটা x এবং একটা x প্লাস 1। তারপর এটাকে স্কোয়ার করতে হবে, স্কোয়ার করে এটার ডিফারেন্সটা বের করতে হবে। তো স্কোয়ার করলাম, ফার্স্টে হচ্ছে দুইটা নাম্বার ধরে নিয়েছি, দুইটা কনজিকিউটিভ নাম্বারস, একটা হচ্ছে x আর একটা হচ্ছে x প্লাস 1। তারপর এদের ডিফারেন্সটা এই যে দুইটা স্কোয়ার করে নিয়েছি। তারপর এটার হচ্ছে ডিফারেন্সটা হচ্ছে x প্লাস 1। ডিফারেন্সটা কিভাবে বের করবো? অবশ্যই বড়টা থেকে ছোটটা মাইনাস করে ডিফারেন্সটা বের করবো। সো বড়টা হচ্ছে x প্লাস 1 বিকজ দিস ইজ দ্য কনজিকিউটিভ নাম্বার। সো ফার্স্ট নাম্বার যদি x হয়, সেকেন্ড নাম্বারটা x প্লাস 1 হলে এটা অবশ্যই এটা হচ্ছে বড় হবে, কারণ কনজিকিউটিভ নাম্বারসের সিস্টেমটাই হচ্ছে এরকম। হ্যাঁ, যেটা আমরা ফার্স্ট যে নাম্বারটা ধরে নিব অথবা কনসিডার করবো সেটা অবশ্যই এটার চাইতে 1 বড় হবে। ওকে, সো স্কোয়ার x plus 1 whole square minus x square. Okay, and we don't know which the number is perfect for it. Okay, this expression, that is why we are just searching one after one, and we get the required number in fourth step. Okay, my dear student, just write in the comments all of you understood or not. Okay, it is 43 minutes gone. Kamrullah Lucky, you have written why 3, 5 and 7 is not the perfect square number. Okay, why it is not a perfect square number? Do you know that when a number we can express as the form of the multiplication of same two numbers? Okay, for example, here this 9, look at that. Okay, look at that here. 3 is not a perfect square number because 3 we cannot write 3 into 1. We can write 3 into 1. And in another form we cannot write it 3 into 3. Okay, and 4 and 5 we can write 5 into 5, 5 into 5, and 5 into 1. Okay, and 7 we can write 7 into 1. But 9 we can write 9 into 1. It's okay, no problem. We can write in another form. We can write 3 into 3. Look at that. We can write 3 into 3. So when any number we can express the multiplication of same two numbers, okay, we can say that number is a perfect square number. Do you understand what is the perfect square? Because you have to understand these kinds of basic things. I will ask the question. Listen to me, from this chapter you have to face 13 question. 13, do you understand? 13 question. You are going to face 25 question in MCQ. So, and from only this chapter we will set up this 13 MCQ question, and you have only one opportunity, you have only one way. You have to learn all kinds of basic things from the class. Okay, there is no another options. You can ask me questions in different way. Okay, but in the questions you have to gather all basic things. So what is the square number? Square number, any number when you can express the form of the multiplication of other two numbers is called the square number. For example, this 7 is not possible. Is it possible any other two numbers? It is possible. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. It is not possible. It is also not possible. But 144 you can write 12 into 12. Same two numbers. Okay, 36 you can write 6 into 6. Okay, when you can write this any number, the form of the multiplication of same two numbers. Okay, same two numbers, we can say that number is a perfect square. So 36 is a perfect square number. Okay, Kamruna Lucky ID, you have written, sir, understood very perfectly. Thank you so much. Okay, give us the syllabus quickly. Okay, syllabus, your MCQ question syllabus, you will get very soon officially. Okay, so unofficially I am not telling you. So just you can consider this chapter 1 and chapter 4 is 100% sure you are getting. And from chapter 1 you have to face at least 10 question or more than 10 question. Okay, so you have to understand every single basic things what I am telling in the class. If you are not attending, if you are discussing some other topic in the class, you are just doing fun in the class and you don't concentrate, I think in the exam it's not possible to answer. Okay, it's not possible to answer all the questions. Okay, so you have to, all of you, because the product of two same numbers is 9, of course. Yes, Sabbir Hussain, yes sir, understood. Okay, Kamrul Nahar ID you have written, oh sir, okay, understood sir, very good, thank you so much. Okay, 13 is not a square number. Okay, 13 is not possible to write 13. Okay, 13, how many ways you can write 13? 13 you can write 13 into 1. Okay, there is no alternative way you can write 13. 12 you can write 2 into 6. You can write 3 into 4. You can write 1 into 6. Different way you can write, but it's not possible to write two same numbers. It's not possible 12. But 16 you can write 4 into 4. So that is why 16 is a square number, perfect square number. But all these numbers, these two numbers is not a perfect square. This is not a perfect square number. Okay, so based on this question, I mean these basics, you are going to face at least one MCQ question. Okay, what is rational number, what is irrational number, that kind of questions also. So I am going to next question. Question number 23. Look at that here, 384 and 2187 are two numbers. Keep in mind, there's based on this question I will ask MCQ question. Okay, so first question, verify with the factor whether the first number be perfect square number or not. So I will give you this, for example, for example MCQ question based on this question. Look at that, how I will set up this MCQ question. I will set up MCQ question number 23. Okay, so number 23, how I will just ask the MCQ question based on this, based on the two numbers. This first number is 384. Okay, which list prime number, which list prime number should be multiplied with 384 so that the number will become a perfect square. Okay, number A is 2, number B 3, number C 4, number D 5. So you have to answer the question. These same questions maybe you will face in the exam. Do you understand? So you have to solve this CQ question, MCQ question, doesn't matter. Any question it can be converted into MCQ question. Any MCQ question it can be converted into CQ question. So all kinds of basic things you have to gather. Okay, basic things. If you understand the basic things, I think you can answer. So how we can this 384? So we have to find this. What is this 384? Okay, 384. How we can find? It is 2, so 192. Okay, again it is 2, so it is 9, and it is 6. Again 2, it is 4, 8. Again 2, it is 22, 2, 4. Okay, 2, 1, 2. 2, it is 6. 2, it is 3. So 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair. Okay, and here is 2 and 3. Here is 2 and 3. Okay, so we have to multiply it by 2 and 3. I think it is okay. 2 1 1 9 and 2 is okay. So 19 18 it is 6 2 it's 48 2 it's okay. Okay, so answer is, I think it should be 1 2 3. I think it should be 3. This answer should be 3, I think. Okay, so I think I can transfer it to 6. Okay, so answer is 6 here. Okay, 2 3, so it should be 6. Okay, yes sir, very easy math for me. Not C, Baba, it should be D. This number 86. So 2 and 3 is unpaired, so we have to multiply it by 6. Okay, so these kinds of questions you can face. Okay, what is the square root? What will be the, this is another MCQ questions I am writing. Okay, within very few seconds I am going to finish this class. 52 minutes. Okay, last question. This one is the last. Okay, what is the square root of what will be the square root of for example 0.000000, for example 64. Okay, do you understand? So what will be the square root of 0.0000 and 64? So number A, it will be 0.08, number B 0.00007, okay, number C 0.0008, and number D 0.0009. So which one is the correct answer? 23. Which one is the correct answer? This one. Just consider this one is just consider a question. Okay, so what will be the square of these numbers? 0.0000 and 64. Do you know that? This very easy things. This one pair you have to consider 1 0, from this pair 1 0, from this pair 1 0, and 64 it is 8. So 0.0008. This is the answer. 0.0008. So C is the correct answer. Okay, so this way we will convert all these questions into MCQ questions, and we will practice. Okay, gradually, one after one. We have I think two weeks more time. Okay, my dear student, thank you so much for attending my class. Okay, thank you. See you in next class, day after tomorrow, I think Saturday. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.